Hey Bluebeamers, welcome to Brighter Graphics, your go-to YouTube channel for everything Bluebeam review. In this video tutorial, we will explore the Duplicate As feature, introduced as a new magic markup tool in Bluebeam Max. Let's see how it works. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open your PDF drawing. As you can see, we have 3 area measurements on this PDF. Right-click on any markup to access the new magic markup tools. We have already covered the Convert to tool in a separate tutorial, but unlike Convert to, the Duplicate As tool retains the original markup while creating a new one. Using Duplicate As, we can produce a copy of any markup or measurement in a different type without losing the original. You will see 7 options to choose from. Here we have an area measurement on our drawing. Let's duplicate this area as a volume by right-clicking and selecting the Duplicate as Volume option. You will see that a new volume measurement is created with the same appearance and dimensions, while the original area measurement remains in place. You will notice that the new volume measurement is currently showing 0 cubic feet. This is because volume is a 3D quantity, while area is a 2D quantity. In the Measurements panel, enter a depth value in your preferred unit and press Enter, and it will display the correct value for this region. You can click and drag the duplicate to reposition it over another region of the PDF. You can now see both the parent and child measurements placed side by side. This is the key difference from the Convert to tool, where the original markup is replaced rather than retained. You can also save your duplicated markups and measurements to your toolsets, keeping the same appearance as the original. Save it to your custom toolset. It will be ready to use at any time in drawing or properties mode. Watch our separate video to learn more about creating custom toolsets in Bluebeam Revu. We will now duplicate another area measurement on this drawing. Let's duplicate this area as a polylength by selecting the Duplicate as Polylength option. And there we go. You can also update the appearance of your duplicated markups by adjusting the font type, font size, font color, fill color, and line color from the markup editor at the top. Once updated, save the markup to your tool chest so it is ready to use in future projects, with no need to draw markups or measurements from scratch. Keep in mind that when you duplicate an area or any text-based markup as a rectangle or another non-text-based markup type, the measurement label will not carry over to the duplicate, as the new markup type does not support it. As you can see, the label does not appear on the duplicate cloud markup. This is how you can use the Duplicate as Magic Markup tool in Bluebeam Max to eliminate the need to redraw markups and measurements from scratch for similar or overlapping PDF regions. Simply duplicate to your desired markup or measurement type and you are ready to go. In the next video, we will explore how the Offset tool allows you to scale your markups and enhance your overall annotation workflow. Thanks for watching. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics.